Methane emissions are an important but often overlooked contribution to climate change. They can arise from fossil fuel, agriculture, and waste. Communities and operators of industrial facilities need a clear knowledge of their methane emissions and how to reduce them. Based on input from a waste management company and 3 natural gas transport operators, the Cyprus Institute and CEA in France collaborated with ENVRINNOV to develop an emission quantification solution that integrates technologies from both RIs and addresses the needs of operators. The solution emerged by combining the ACTRIS platform for atmospheric research using aerial drones together with ICOS-grade greenhouse gas measurements. This solution enables landfill operators to estimate precisely the impact of mitigation strategies, such as covering the landfill with airtight materials. By combining sensors, platforms, numerical modeling and innovative strategies, European research infrastructures offer a deep but untapped resource to help achieve emission reductions.